Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to open Wells Fargo bank account online. So I have mentioned each and every steps so that it can be really easy for you. Now first of all we have to decide which Wells Fargo checking account best fits your need. So here I mentioned here these are the most popular, right? And you will get it each and everything information here. This is a everyday checking. Now what is this everyday checking? Most popular account with mobile deposit, bill pay, Zelle or contactless debit card. Now the second thing is that is called clear access banking. Now, clear access banking, if you don't know, for example, everyday checking has a $10 monthly service fee and $25 minimum opening deposit, while clear access banking has a $5 monthly fees and no minimum balance. So, those who want to open a bank account in Wells Fargo at very low rates, then this is the best thing. Right now, how you can just do this? So, let's go to the website here. You can easily go to the Wells Fargo website, and here it will ask you to open an account. Right now, as you can see here, we don't have any option. We have any option to log in here. Now you have to select any one of these options. So let's say I will just go back here, and I like to open this everyday checking, so I will just go and click on open now. You can also make an appointment at the branch, and they will help you to make an account at Wells Fargo. Now it will open up. Now here you can see everyday checking starts here. Now what you need to apply, they have given all this information and every requirement and everything here. So we'll just go and click on let's go. Now first of all, they will ask our SSN number or ITN number here and your mobile number, and after that you have to click and continue. After that, it will ask you to fill out the online application with your personal information, contact details, SSN number, provide information to verify your identity such as driving license or passport, fund your new account with the initial deposit of at least $25, review and agree the account terms and consider your conditions. Once the application is approved, you will receive your account and routing number to start business banking online and with the Wells Fargo mobile app. You can also order checks if needed. So let me know if you have any other question. We will try to help you out in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.